Hi everyone. Just some more thoughts on the protests that are happening across India. Now I'm sitting at a stage where, at a time when Dr. Pradhan, the education minister, he has given his resignation. He submitted his resignation. I'm not sure whether he accepted or not, but he submitted his resignation. It's at a time when whatever could be potentially done, okay, was done for this NEET exam. If NEET was a cause for, or was a reason, जो if अगर यही reason था इस पूरे protest का, तो ठीक है. Of course there were political concoctions to this. There were a lot of political parties who jumped into this, ठीक है. But जो accused, जो the people who were responsible for this entire NEET paper leaks were arrested. There's a fast track court which has been assigned to deal with this. The Prime Minister himself has come online on Instagram and he's announced this. Now, so all that's happened. Okay, there's also an uh, anti leakage and all that. So there's a new law which has been passed to protect students from such situations. Okay, so all that is happening. Okay, I know there are problems across the country. Okay, uh, uh, but there are ways to handle that. Street rowdy violent protest is not the way. Okay, even that is okay to some extent, but then again, violence in the sense, if you're shouting, नारेबाजी कर रहे हैं, वो सब ठीक है. Okay, it's more but once you start, आप तलवारें लेके आ गए वहाँ पे, आप लठ लेके आ गए, आप लोगों को मार रहे हैं, आप ये कर रहे हो, that's just not डन. आप पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी को ख़राब कर रहे हैं, आप प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी को ख़राब कर रहे हैं, चीज़ें डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं. ये कुछ टेम्पलेट्स हैं जो सीए प्रोटेस्ट, फार्मर प्रोटेस्ट वगैरह में ऑलरेडी हुआ था. आई थिंक द गवर्नमेंट शुड हैव डेल्ट विद दोज मोर फर्मली. इट डिड नॉट डू दैट for whatever reason. Okay, they thought that it would die a natural death, all of those protests, which did not happen. They went on and on and on. Shine Bagh and all, it went for very long actually. महीनों चले थे वो, and eventually they all culminated in people storming the Red Fort, the Delhi riots, and etc. etc. So street protests, violent protests have not ended. While the government has taken back the laws which were proposed, it did not really end in a very positive manner. Okay, so the template has been set, and everybody is now trying to replicate the template. This is a similar template जो set हुआ अभी. So my opinion, Dr. Pradhan should not have resigned. Okay, now that he more so because everything that could be done has already potentially been done. Okay, why I want to address this right now is that a lot of parties now jumping onto this bandwagon. Now Rahul Gandhi is jumping onto this. Okay, it was a student protest, but there's Rahul Gandhi jumping onto this. There's Aam Aadmi Party jumping onto this. There's Akhilesh Yadav jumping onto this. Everybody's trying to sabotage or take credit for what has happened. It's none of them. They've done nothing. Okay, Rahul Gandhi did this whole yatra, everything. In a democracy, election is your way to power. Okay, आपने देखा होगा जब ये एग्जिट पोल्स या whatever polls होते हैं जब इलेक्शंस में, many people have got those exit polls wrong because the violent, the people who are more who come out more aggressively. Okay, they are the ones who help you form a opinion. Okay, वो आपको लगता है कि यार ये opinion form हो रहा है, तो they're the ones who are more vocal. वो बोलते हैं कि यार ये वो करके. The silent majority is the one which actually votes the well-meaning government or the well-meaning leaders into power. That has happened across India in the last few months. Okay, people understood that during the general elections of 2024, there was a fake narrative which was spread कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बदल देंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, और राहुल गांधी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लेके घूमते रहते थे हर जगह पे. ओके, वो झूठ लोगों ने समझा, एंड देव डन अ कोर्स करेक्शन अक्रॉस ऑल स्टेट इलेक्शंस अगर आप देखेंगे तो. ठीक है, सो एंड इट इज़ द साइलेंट मेजॉरिटी विच इज. अब आप जाएंगे, आप लोगों से पूछेंगे जो स्ट्रीट पे जो वायलेंट लोग हैं, जो बहुत वोकल लोग हैं, वो कहेंगे यार आई एम वोटिंग फॉर दिस, आई एम वोटिंग फॉर दैट, एंड दैट शेप्स अ narrative, that shapes an opinion of the pollsters also, of a lot of people in the media also, कि भाई ये हो रहा है. Today the silent majority, the well meaning people do not even speak, they don't speak out because they know that काहे को पछड़े में पड़ना है, हमने हमने अपना काम करना है, एक बटन दबाना है, and that forms the that helps from the government. Not a lot of people are piling on to this whole thing कि यार हमारी वजह से हुआ, हमारी वजह से हुआ, कल को ये करने की कोशिश करेंगे. दिस सुप्रिया श्रीनेथ ऑलरेडी है कहा कि भाई इतने बजे राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि हम धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का वो लेंगे, और इतने बजे धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने रिज़ाइन कर दिया. ये वही हैं जो नाच रही थी इन स्पाइट ऑफ गेटिंग ओनली 99 सीट्स कि हमने भाई उनको मेजॉरिटी नहीं लाने दी. सो अब ये माइंडसेट आप समझ सकते हो, ठीक है. सो दैट इज़ दैट. अदर थिंग दैट आई हैव नोटिस्ड इज दैट आई लिव आउटसाइड, आई लिव इन द यूएई. ओके, मैं जब बातें करता हूँ लोगों से यहाँ पे, तो पीपल हु डू नॉट लाइक द बीजेपी, हु आर एंटी बीजेपी, एंटी मोदी, they had lost hopes in Rahul Gandhi and in INC. Okay, they have seen Aam Aadmi Party as a big hope. Conversation से पता चलता है. They say Aam Aadmi Party as a big hope, and there's a lot of funding etc. which is also being done from this part of the world for him. Okay. फिर जब उनको लगा कि ये नहीं हो रहा, then now they are getting onto the CJP. सो सिमिलरली अभी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको लगता है यार कि ये चलो ये हुआ, ये नहीं हुआ, अखिलेश नहीं कर पाया, देन दे हैड राहुल से तो होप द लॉस, देन अखिलेश से था, फिर उसके बाद आम आदमी पार्टी से था, फिर तेजस्वी यादव से था, फिर अपने महाराष्ट्र में ठाकरे से था, तो उसके बाद फिर ममता से था. दे हैव ऑल लॉस्ट वेरी बैडली. ओके, अब जो ओनली सोरेन्स हैं जो कि उतने पावरफुल हैं नहीं, उतने नेशनल ना उतने वो वोकल हैं, ना उतनी नेशनल स्टैंडिंग है उनकी, तो इसकी वजह से अब स्टालिन हार गया वहाँ पे. सो द पीपल हु लॉस्ट इलेक्शंस. ओके, तो अब इनको लगा कि अब करें क्या, तो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट विच इज हैपनिंग टू दीज पीपल, टू दिस द CJP पीपल, एंड द all these peripheral parties, and of course the main opposition party in Indian National Congress is trying to, you know, take credit for the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. Of course अभी और सारे demands होंगे उनके. My thing is that the Prime Minister should not succumb to this. Okay, it's enough now. Dr. Pradhan has given his resignation. Whatever could be done about the deed has been done. Of course, any structural changes जो भी आपको करने हैं वो करिए, announce करिए, and take the right steps so that the education system is corrected across. You also have noticed that a lot of sportsmen, a lot of film stars etc. have also commented. Okay, आपने एक चीज़ ध्यान दिया होगा कि the well-meaning sportsmen and the well-meaning film stars have been very balanced in their commentary. It is the starlets, or you know, the people who aren't big stars, who've done roles here and there, some supporting roles here and there, or striving to get there. They're the ones who are more aggressive, more vocal, more anti this thing. In Bollywood there is a coterie, or there is a grouping which is anti BJP, anti this thing, anti Modi, etc. It's a pretty known fact. It's been there for many years. Okay, even the leading stars had their own opinions. Either they're scared to say, or they've realized that what is going around is not the correct thing. The perceptions are not correct. It's different. So they've changed the opinion, or they've formed the opinion depending on the last few years of governance that they've seen from BJP. Okay, one thing is very clear, that the BJP government is very development oriented, very forward looking way. So nobody, because whenever I go to India, I see massive change in the infrastructure and all of that, and of course the standing of India has increased across the world as well. So I just want to say that there will be a lot of stars and all trying to take credit. भी बहुत सारे तिलचट्टे तरह के लोग आएंगे. ये तिलचट्टे को आप क्या करते हो? या तिलचट्टे को मारते हो, राइट? कोई तिलचट्टे को घर में नहीं रखते. कॉकरोचेस को घर में लोग नहीं रखते, उसको हटाने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो यही तिलचट्टे तरह के लोग आएंगे. अभी वो ये क्रेडिट लेने की कोशिश करेंगे, भाई कि हमने किया, हमारी वजह से, हमारी प्रेशर की वजह से हुआ, ये हुआ, वो हुआ, ठीक है. बट you must realize, if people who understand the politics of Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, these are the two guys who take all the decisions. Everybody knows about that. Okay, you should know that they are always in for the long game. Okay, they're not. The decision making isn't like this. They don't play for one day. They don't play. So they play. The aggression is the T20 one. Okay, their perseverance is a 5 day cricket. This thing. Okay, so it's completely different. So they're playing a test match, but with the aggression of a T20. They don't have knee-jerk reactions to anything. Okay, they think through. I'm sure they have thought through. They are very astute politicians. Okay, so yeah, I look forward to this whole thing ending amicably, and I love my country. Anything for it. Okay, so I'm sure I love the country that I live in. It's one of the most amazing places I've seen in the world, and I love my country from where I belong. Okay, so all the best. Jai Hind.